Good evening. My name's Thad Smith. I'm starting this new YouTube channel. Um, it's called, right now it's called Fishing with Veterans. That might change with time. My main reason for starting this channel is for the plain fact of getting veterans out fishing. We owe these men and women more than we can repay them. I'm a veteran myself. Um, if for any reason you live in the Clarksville area or you're going to be in the Clarksville area, I fish a lot. Get with me. I'll try and get you out. Not only taking veterans fishing, but taking kids fishing as well. I have 3 kids that live with me. I have 5 kids total. I have a 19-year-old and a 17-year-old. I have a 10, a 9, and a 2-year-old. All 4 boys except for the 2-year-old. She's a little girl. She's Spitfire too. But that's kind of what this channel is about. Today I got a lucky tackle box. I'm going to show you what I got in it. I've already opened it up and kind of went through it, so we'll just start with that. We always get the letter from, or the little card from the Lucky Tackle Box founder, Rick, telling us all Happy New Year and telling us about this bass fishing tournament they're starting January 15th through the 31st, $5,000 in prizes. I'm not sponsored by Lucky Tackle Box, so I don't know that I'm going to enter this. It says live giveaways, top 1 to 50 to win, over 5,000 in prizes. Not a bad deal. You get, as always, a sticker in the Lucky Tackle Box. This time it's a Lucker Hunt sticker. Get the Fish Hound magazine. I kind of peruse through this sometimes. It goes through the baits. Kind of what it's about. That's one of the baits in there. Sorry. But that's the Fish Hound magazine. And we always get the what's in the box card, which I've got lined up here. The first one is the Lucker Hunt prop fish. Looks like it's a little top water, almost like a you're just running along top water. Right now, frog type bait. Here in Tennessee, this came out. One it says on the box is award-winning lure at ICAST. This bait goes for $8.99. Springtime is probably when I would say fish this like a frog. If it was me, kind of has the frog look to it, as you can see. So that's kind of what I'm going to be looking at more as a spring bait. Casey Ashley, the Casey's Classic Runner, that retails for $4.99. It's just an underspin. A lot of people use these crappie fishing in smaller lures, and a lot of bass fishermen catch these. Use these now, putting stuff on them. Little swim bait hooks. I haven't used them as much. I plan to more this spring. So it's a 1/4 ounce That one retails for $4.99, so I'm definitely going to keep that around. The Biawak, and guys, I'm not going to pronounce all these right. Again, I'm not sponsored by Lucky Tackle Box. Biawak Patate retails for $5.99. I'll get one of these out for you. Seems very small. Not sure. I've seen a lot of these type baits. Haven't used them all the time. But again, that's the great thing about Lucky Tackle Box. You get baits you don't normally use. That's why I subscribe. My son subscribes to, my 9-year-old son subscribes to RP, subscribes to Mystery Tackle Box, and he's going to be getting that soon. Let me know down below if you want me to open those boxes up for you. The next one is this little swim bait. Little paddle tail swim bait. I would say this would be great on that underspin. It is a Bass Crasher. It's a LTB exclusive. It's going to retail for $3.99. Good little swim bait. It's very, very soft. Again, $3.99 on that. I'd probably use that in conjunction with the underspin. I would probably use these together. Just for the plain fact, this is already a swim bait hook. And this is pretty much the swim bait, so I don't think I would use these, the little 2.5 inch. Me personally, comment below if you want. If you think I should, I'll give it a shot. The next one is a grip pin jig head mushroom 90 degrees. It's just it's a Ned rig. Would be with a .1/0 size is the hook size. You could use just the, let's get this out and see what this exactly. That's 2 separate hooks. Again, the general Ned rig hook. Another, what I would call an EWG hook, extra wide gap. That would be more what I would use the Biawak on, or this Ned rig hook. That retails for $2.99. It's from Mustad. I love Mustad hooks. They're very sharp. Awesome little hooks. Looks like it has pretty decent bait keeper on there, so again, $2.99 for that. And then a bite stick. It's just a fish attractant. No mess, no roll stick. You just rub this on your, I didn't rub too much on it so it doesn't have a ton of little smell on there, but you can see just like chapstick, but I wouldn't use it as chapstick because it's probably it's see, fish attractant, doesn't really say what. That retails for $4.99. Put this on your crankbaits, soft plastics. A lot of times I don't get into them too much. I try it if I got it. Like I said, A lot of things I get in Lucky Tackle boxes I don't try. The thing I'm very excited about, and this, being winter time, is the classic jerkbait. This one is a white jerkbait with a little bit of kind of a grayish pattern on top. Throwback Lures Tokyo Special. Retails for $8.99. Good little bait, especially this time of year. I'm going to be going out this week. This will probably get thrown, more than likely. Depends on, this is anywhere, you can throw this anywhere. It's more of a Japanese bait. There's not too many places you can't throw this, but very excited for this, especially this time of year. They always throw in, looks like pain relieving ointment. They'll throw in something a little extra. And then you get in the bottom of the box and they've got little pamphlets and all that stuff. But again, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not sponsored by anybody. But I get these baits for the plain fact. Makes it simple. I get a lot of baits I don't normally get. I wouldn't normally buy. I'd walk right by it in Bass Pro. Like, not really. It's very cheap. You always get and you can add up the prices of what it's for. You can add up the prices. Very cheap little box for what you get. You don't get the $25 box. You can get a $15 box. That's the reason I get them. I get a lot of baits that I normally wouldn't buy, and so again, guys, thanks for watching. This is kind of the first of many, I hope. So tight lines and take somebody out fishing. Have a good one.